In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or off reel notifications on your Instagram account. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is sign into your Instagram account and select your profile icon in the bottom right corner to open up your profile page. Then you want to select the hamburger icon in the top right and go down underneath versus how you use Instagram and select notifications. Go underneath where it says live and reels and select that. And you can just disable the notifications here by selecting off for whatever preferences you want. So for reels made for you, for example, you could just turn them off. You could turn off most watched reels, recently uploaded reels, just turn off basically all of them in here. And that would disable the reel notifications. And the opposite would be true if you wanted to re-enable it or turn it on. You would just select the corresponding on options. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.